turquoise. It's proudly displayed on the front of the vehicle, on the rear of the vehicle, and on the front fascia of the seats. Our goal certainly was to recapture the spirit of the original Thunderbird in an absolutely modern design. But more than that, our goal was to recapture that thing, that magical, heart-stopping, head-turning, intangible thing that few of us can describe, but every single one of us knows when we see it. We've seen it at Ford Motor Company, and now we'd like to ask you, the press, to come up and have another look. Thank you for coming today.
Intensive components, and they'll be all managed through very similar
Let's take a little shot of the interior.
Facilities.
You're welcome to come up on the stand if you like.
Viewpoint, it's a boon. It's a wonderful way of being able to offer a wide variety of products that appeal to very different people.
Haven't announced that yet.
Yet offer them at very
Thanks.
high
Hi,
value.
Todd. How are you? Nice to see you.